Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel My Money My Dreams. Hope you all are safe and hale and hearty in this current coronavirus situation. In today's video, we will share with you a brief overview of the top 5 large cap or you can say blue chip mutual funds, and will share with you their DNA in terms of their top 10 holdings, which means companies in which these funds have their asset percentage, then the sector allocation and asset allocation. When we take a call in making an investment decision, we need to take all the above things into consideration and then choose the right fund as per our individual requirements and in sync with the financial advisor's advice. As per the current market predictions, large cap funds will be the ones which will outperform once the market bounces back. So take a careful look and pay attention to this video till the end. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment. So as you can see, these are the top 5 large cap or you can say blue chip funds right now. As you can see in the Excel sheet, Axis Blue Chip Fund, Mirae Asset Large Cap, Kotak Blue Chip, DSP Top 100 Equity Fund and ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund. These are the AUMs of the funds, which is actually the fund size you can say in crores of each fund. Then further down, these are the top 10 holdings of these funds, which means the asset percentage which has been distributed to various companies, top 10 in the top 10 companies. So as you can see in this Excel sheet that SDFC Bank is common among all the funds. The maximum stake every fund has is in SDFC Bank. Then second thing which is in common is ICICI Bank, and apart from ICICI Bank, what else is common is Reliance. Reliance is also there in all these 5 funds. Larsen is also there. 4 of the funds have their asset allocation in Larsen also, apart from Axis Blue Chip Fund, Mirae Asset, Kotak Blue Chip, DSP Top 100 and ICICI Prudential Fund has their respective asset holdings in Larsen also. So this is how we can go through the asset allocation percentage in various companies of these funds. Then further going down, you can see the sector allocation. In which sector exactly these funds have their asset allocation percentage. So banking, finance, oil and gas, automotive, engineering, technology, cements. This is for DSP Top Fund 100 Equity. Let me just freeze the pane so that we'll have a better view. So now we can see Axis Blue Chip has invested their fund in these sectors. Then Mirae, Kotak, DSP, ICICI Prudential, so respectively you can see their asset allocation, sector allocation basically. Then comes further down asset allocation. So all these funds have their asset allocation in equity. Maximum asset allocation is in equity. 81% Axis Blue Chip, Mirae Asset then has 96.65%, Kotak Blue Chip Fund has 96.90, and respectively for ICICI Prudential also 90 plus is the asset allocation in equity. So as you can see, the debt fund, there is hardly any asset allocation in debt funds. So basically all these blue chip funds or all these large cap funds have their asset allocation mostly in equity. So these are the best top 5 funds, large cap or you can say blue chip funds right now in the market. And as I have already told you that once the market makes a comeback, bounces back, so large cap funds or blue chip funds are going to be the most profitable funds you can say, or they're going to give the best results in the coming days. So our recommendation from Star Investcorp Private Limited would be that large cap funds is the best option right now available, and these are the top 5 funds as we have already discussed. So you can go through this entire data. This data has been created on the basis of our own experience and expertise. These are the top 5 funds available right now in blue chip category. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching our video today, and do like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay connected.